In today's video, I am going to teach you how to schedule emails based on your recipient's time zones in Hubspot. This is a helpful setting when your contact list spans multiple regions because it lets Hubspot send your email at the same local time for each recipient. Instead of everyone getting the message at one fixed time based on your own time zone, your audience receives it at the scheduled time in their own location. That can improve timing, consistency, and overall engagement. To begin, log into your Hubspot account and go to the top navigation menu. Click Marketing, then select Email. This takes you to your email dashboard, where your saved drafts and existing marketing emails are listed. Next, find the email you want to send and click the email name to open it. Once you are inside the email editor, take a moment to confirm you are working on the correct message. This is especially important if you have several emails with similar names. Now look for the Send or Schedule tab. Click it to open the delivery options for this email. This is where you choose whether the email goes out immediately or at a specific time. From the available options, select Schedule for later. When you choose this, Hubspot will allow you to pick a date and time for the send. Before you finalize anything, turn on the setting labeled Schedule based on recipient's time zone. Toggle it to On. With this enabled, the email will be delivered at the scheduled time according to each recipient's time zone, rather than sending to everyone at the same exact moment. As a quick tip, this feature works best when your contacts have reliable time zone data. Hubspot typically determines time zone based on available contact and engagement information, so keeping your contact records accurate can help this run smoothly. Once you have confirmed the schedule details and the time zone toggle is on, click Schedule. Hubspot will then queue the email and handle delivery automatically, timing it appropriately for each recipient. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.